guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a collective reading. This reading is going to be about the current feelings of your partner. So yes, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel as I post videos almost every day here. And yeah, these are collective readings, these are general readings, so it might not resonate with everyone here. These are timeless readings, so anytime you come across this video, there may be specific messages for you here. So yeah, let's see what's up with your person, what they are current feeling, what are they currently feeling like, what's going on in their mind about you, about this connection. So yeah, let's see. What's up with your person? What are they going through? What are they feeling? How are they feeling about you? About this connection? Okay, Four of Swords, maybe dealing with Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Seven of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, let's see. How are you feeling like? What is the person viewing this video feeling like? What is the person viewing this video feeling like? What is the person viewing this video feeling like currently? What is this person currently feeling like? Okay, what is this person feeling like? Okay, one more card. What is this person feeling like? Okay. So first card is Nine of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Ace of Pentacles, Earth sign and fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay. So I think your person is quite distressed, sad, lonely, feeling as if things are not going as they planned. Maybe they are overwhelmed, maybe dealing with a lot of things in their life. Also for some of you, they might be dealing with someone else, okay, but they are not happy. Like from where I can see this, they are not happy with the current scenario of this relationship. Quite distressed, quite uneasy, quite sad about things going on, okay. Maybe they are not sleeping well at night, maybe keeping, they are up all night thinking about you, reminiscing the old days, maybe regretting what they have done, maybe regretting their choices with this Two of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm also seeing this person feeling overwhelmed, like they cannot decide. They have a lot of options maybe, or maybe they want to explore more, but they don't want to lose you. Person wants to have the cake and eat it too, so it's not possible. They must come up with a decision. I think there is a decision pending on their side. They have to decide something is pending on their side. I think they're juggling between two people maybe, or maybe a situation and you. So many things are going on. They have a lot to deal with right now, okay. On your side, I feel you are in your power. You feel quite strong. You feel quite strengthened. You are not needy about this person emotionally, and you are quite independent. Like you are in a good place. I see you in good shape, but still you are struggling. I think you somewhere deep inside you want to talk to this person. You want to have a chat with this person. Maybe from a long time you both are not communicating to each other, and this is kind of depressing for you. Quite maybe this person has blocked you, or maybe you have blocked this person, and you are missing this person, but on the outside you are showing as if you are fine. But I'm seeing you in your power, like you have a hold on your life now, on your emotions now, and even if things are not going as if you planned them to, but still you are quite happy, okay. You want a new beginning. You're quite optimistic about this relationship, yeah. Where this person is distressed, where this person is sad, not sleeping well, thinking about you all the time, you are in your power, doing good with your money, maybe work wise or financially you're doing quite well, and things are under your control when it comes to finances and your emotions. This person is feeling overwhelmed and you want a new start. They are confused and you are quite firm about your decisions. You want this person, and this person is not quite sure. They are still their mind is quite wandering at this period of time, yeah. Maybe they are dealing with someone else, or maybe they are busy in their work. They have a lot to deal with in their life, and you are like ready to, let this person in, and you want this person to come out with a clarity, with a firm decision. They are not coming up with any decision, still they are in this third party situation maybe. So yeah, they want you also, they want the third party also. It's not possible, right? Let's see what else do we have on your person's side. What else do we have? Their current feelings. Their current feelings. Two more cards. Two more cards for this person. Three of Swords in the reverse. I think they are healing now. Maybe they were quite unhappy. Maybe they were sad. Maybe they were depressed. Not happy with the whole scenario. It might be like this person has hurt you with the third party, and they are grieving over it, and they are regretting it, coming out of that healing. Like this is a healing card. When Three of Swords is in reverse, it is like the stabbed swords are been pulled out of the heart, and the it's bleeded, and now it's healing. The healing process has started on their side. So yeah, one more card. Okay, one more card. Let me put it here. This person is healing, trying to heal themselves, trying to come up with some solution. Ace of Swords, I think they want to communicate to you. They want to tell you what they have been planning. They want to come up straight with their interaction. Maybe they are not talking to you from a long time, and they want to communicate to you, but they are planning on how to. But they will come up straight, okay? They are not going to be, like, hi, how are you? How's things going with you in this lockdown? They are going to be straight, like, I miss you. Can we start over again? So this is going to be their approach towards you. Let's see what's going on your side. What is the viewer feeling like? More clear messages, please. More clear messages for the viewer. Ten of Pentacles in reverse. I think with all of this that has been going on from past days, maybe this person is not giving you clarity. The picture of you both you had in the image you had in your mind about this relationship and this specific person, it is going, it is just dissolving. Like you feel as if this was just a dream. Maybe they were not someone you wanted them to be. Maybe they were just pretending to be your perfect partner, because when they were with you, everything was quite going well. The money, the compatibility level was like, from the scale of 1 to 10, it was like plus 10. And I think now the image has gone blur for you. You feel as if they are not quite compatible to you. Maybe they can't provide what you want, but still you want this. You want to take this one step forward with this person. What more do we have? More clear messages for the person viewing this video. More clear messages for the person viewing this. Okay, Nine of Cups. I think some of your wishes are going to come true for you. You're waiting for this person patiently. You are keeping hold on your emotions, waiting for this person to come up, very clear and very upfront with their emotions. And you are waiting for this person to initiate something, and then you're going to take things further. You are not wanting to, do everything from your side. You want this person to take the initiative. Let's see what mutual energies do we have for both of you. What mutual energies do we have? Mutual energies, please. Both of their energies, mutual energies. What do they both feel? Okay, I think you both are quite not happy with the situation. Maybe you both are not taking any action, staying in your own power, wanting to show, the cold side to each other, showing the cold side to each other. Both are, not talking to each other. Quite possible, not talking to each other, ignoring each other. Yeah, you need to come out of this. Emperor. Maybe you're dealing with an Aries, okay, with this Emperor. What more do we have in the mutual energy? What more do we have in the mutual energy? Mutual energies, please. Okay, Sun in reverse. I feel you both are not happy with the whole situation. Maybe you feel as if the happiness is just washed away with this person. They were your happy place, and now when they're not with you, the way you feel with them, the warmth, the brightness, the happiness, the joy, you're not quite feeling it right now. So you both are not happy without each other, being away from each other. Okay, one more card for their current energies, mutual energies. One more card for the mutual energies. Okay. Yeah, I think you both want to invest into the relationship, give your best into this relationship, and you both might be working very hard in your own professions. Yeah, keeping yourself distracted from one another is what I'm seeing here. So yeah, what is the next action this person is going to take? 3 cards for the next action. What is the next action this person is going to take? Okay. The strength. I think they are gathering strength to talk to you. Maybe you're dealing with specifically a Leo, or you have Leo in your chart, and I think this person is gathering strength because maybe they ghosted you in the past without any reason, because of the third party maybe, and now they are coming back. So they want to have some solid reason, right? They have something to express to you or explain to you. So yeah, gathering strength. What is the next action? This person. Okay, the 3 of Cups in reverse. So I think this person will come up with a decision of choosing you, or maybe they were in third party situation and no more. Now they are not into a third party situation, and they will come out of this third party situation, maybe because they will feel this need to be with you. So yeah, that is what action this person, their next action, what action this person is going to take. Sorry for the mumble. Okay, yeah, Queen of Swords. I think they are going to express how they feel. Maybe they are going to ask you for explanation. I think they were having their eye on you. Maybe you were trying to move on with this Empress, 9 of Pentacles. You were trying to move on, looking strong, trying to move on from this person, and this is pissing them off, and maybe they want to ask you, like they want to clarify some things with you, is what I'm feeling here. Coming out very strong and putting their points very straight. Okay, so this was it. Now let's see what advice do we have for you. What advice do we have for you from the Chakra Wisdom Oracle? What advice do we have for you? What you need to do in this situation? What you need to do? What advice do we have? Renewal. I think you need to look yourself from a new perspective at this relationship, with a new perspective, a renewed energy you're going to feel into this relationship. So you just need to be ready, like you need to renew, you need to meditate, you need to be aware and awakened to absorb whatever energy this person is sending to you. Okay, one more. What messages do we have? Prayer. I think you need to pray more, and you need to chant, or maybe you need to pray more to connect to this person on a spiritual level. Okay, when you pray more, when you ask for whatever you expect out of this person, you're going to surely get that. Okay, your prayers are being answered now. So yeah, pray more. Let's see what advice do we have from the angels. What advice do we have from the angels? What advice do we have from the angels? Light. Okay, the fairy queen of light comes to shed love and light onto your current situation, and to remind you that light can penetrate the darkness. I think you are now things will be revealed to you. Maybe this person was not expressing something to you, or you are not seeing things for what they are. So now you will come out of this darkness. This dark area of your life is going to just vanish away, and what you're going to see everything like with a new vision. There will be light everywhere, and you will see things for what they are. Okay, so yeah, what advice do we have from the fairies, the angels? What advice do we have from the angels? Transformation. So the fairy tells you to surrender to a transformation in your life that's happening for your highest good. Embrace. So I think definitely some transformation is going on in your life, and angels just want you know to grab, to just let universe do its course, the angels do its course, and let you transform into something better. You need to transform yourself. Okay, you are into this transformative phase right now, so just don't question anything, just surrender yourself. Okay, let things unfold naturally. What advice do we have from the handwritten messages, from my handwritten messages? What advice do we have from the handwritten messages? What advice do we have from the handwritten messages? Sorry, maybe they are sorry for whatever they did. Maybe they will say sorry to you. LMQUWX, maybe these are their initials. Compromise, maybe they were asking you to compromise on something, or maybe they will ask you to compromise, or maybe you need to compromise to make situations right. Air sign, maybe you specifically someone here is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And the last one is liar. Maybe you're dealing with someone who is a narcissist, or maybe who is a liar, who just pretends things. And the last one is, sorry, this one is the last. This is intimacy. Maybe all they want is intimacy, or maybe they went into the third party situation just because of attraction. So yeah, that is what we see here. And yeah, that's it. If you like such videos, please hit the like button and consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.